Hi guys, Miss Novella here, and I'm going to talk to you about color schemes for your street perspective. So at your table you have examples of the morning, afternoon, and night sky. There's also some color gradient schemes that you can look to refer when you make a choice. And you have a practice worksheet in front of you. So I'm going to do a night sky, and I've chosen two colors, so I'm going to try and create something that looks like that. So if we look at it really quick, we can see that the lighter color graduates to a more darker color from the buildings to the sky. So that's what I'm going to try and do. When you're working with color gradient, and we've done this before, make sure that we are always starting off with a light or dark stroke, depending on what kind of contrast you want. But because I want to match that sky, I'm going to start off with a lighter, and then the orange gets a little bit more darker as it goes into the sky. So you can always press harder and go over, press that so that it's darker, and then fade into your night sky color. You can go over the orange and blend that into the red. But what you need to remember is that this has to look consistent all the way across. All right? So you want it to look nice and smooth. You want it to graduate into that color, and you can also kind of blend the colors together so that it looks something like this. So you see how the orange and red are created. They're nice and smooth, and this line that you see, I kind of drew an invisible line across my paper so that I knew the stages of my sky and how to divide it equally. So this is your practice page for you to practice whatever color scheme you want to try. You don't have to practice on the entire page, but once you have practiced enough on a section that you feel confident that you can apply that to your final draft, then you can move on to your final draft. Thanks.